let's talk about some writing tips. Some writing tips. I could give many writing tips, but just some simple ones. Focus on paragraphs. For English writing, you need to be thinking about paragraphs. So we have words, we have phrases, we have sentences, and then we have paragraphs. Each paragraph should contain its own main idea. So if you have 4 sentences about blue dogs, all 4 of those sentences should be in the same paragraph because they are related, right? And then when you start talking about purple chickens, then you can create a new paragraph because it's now a new idea. Simple explanation. I hope you understand. Also, in your writing, one way to write better and to write more words and to use better vocabulary is to simply add more details. So for example, I can say, I like basketball. A very simple sentence. But you can make that sentence better by thinking about the question words. What are the question words? Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Think about that. I like basketball. When? I like basketball when it's hot outside. Who? I like basketball with my best friend when it's hot outside. How? I like basketball when I'm full of energy and it's very sunny outside with my best friend in the world. So think about these questions and it can give you ideas of more ways that you can add information and vocabulary to your English sentences.